Today we're going to be replacing the hard drive on a Yoga 900S, Lenovo Yoga 900S. I just got this laptop today, actually. I ordered it last week. It was released last week and it arrived today. I'm sure that anybody else that ordered this laptop will be receiving it today if you ordered the expedited shipping last week like I did. Why am I replacing the hard drive? Because I need more space, and they didn't offer a 500 gigabyte hard drive on the NVM Express M2. So I got this Samsung V-NAND 950 Pro. It's the #1 rated SSD hard drive on the web right now, and it's fast. I have the other version of this hard drive in my Lenovo Yoga 2 Pro, just not the this type. As this laptop, this Yoga and the X1 Yoga are the only Lenovo brand laptops that take this new M2 Express hard drives. So let's get to it. What I'm using today is this screwdriver set here. I got this off of Amazon pretty cheap. It's awesome. What you don't want to do if you buy a screwdriver set from Amazon is buy this one. I made the mistake and bought this screwdriver set. It's awful. No matter how hard you try to tighten your bits in here, they'll push through. So you don't want to buy this set. It's awful. No matter, you need to use a wrench every time you want to tighten the screwdriver set. So don't buy this. Learn from my mistake. As I said, I just got this laptop today. I haven't even, actually I did power it on for a second. Let's see here. So yeah, it's a beautiful laptop. Has the watch hinge. It's lightweight. I got the champagne gold. I got it loaded, well, I guess loaded, but the best I could. 8 gigs of RAM. It didn't have 16 available. I got the version 80 ml is the model number for this. And again, I'll be replacing the hard drive because of the speed, and I wanted some more room for family photos and stuff like that. So what you're going to do first is find the bit you need, make sure the laptop's powered down. I hold down my power button. You don't want to just close the top because it will still be powered on. And you want to get one of these little metric screwdrivers, find the one you're looking for, and let's get to it. You want to take all these off. Yeah, I don't know why. I think they went away from these screws before, and now with the Yoga brand, they added them again. Makes no difference to me. Some people are aggravated that they can't use a standard Phillips screwdriver to do what you need to do with these laptops, but it makes no difference. Let's see here. These Samsung hard drives are great. I have them in my other Yoga 2 Pro. They're fast, real fast, and I've never had any issues with them. So I give them a good rating on Amazon. I purchased mine off of Amazon. I don't know the exact price. I'll post it in the description when I put this online. Let's see. Let's open her up. I usually go to the edge and then slide my fingers across the back, and it usually pops right up. I haven't opened this one yet, but I suspect it's probably the same. Yep, as I suspected, they come right up. It has a couple magnets on the bottom. This lines right up when you slide it in, so it's really easy to take off. And what you see is not much. You see the battery, which takes up a good portion of this. Right here you have the wireless card. Here's our hard drive. I believe the RAM is soldered on this drive, on this motherboard, so you won't have access to the RAM. It's probably on the other side of this board anyway. I don't see it. So we'll just be replacing this one right here. So it's a standard Phillips screw. I don't know why they do that either, because you gotta switch your bits. And I'll be downloaded Windows 10 Professional on this. It came with Windows 10 Home. There was not an option to get Windows 10 Professional, which is another weird thing on Lenovo's half. I don't know why they don't have that available. Seems kind of strange to me. Here's the drive. Small little suckers. So I just kind of give it a little push up, grab it with your hands. I give it a little wiggle, pops right out. Grab the other one, line it up, give it a little wiggle, goes right in. And then use the screw, put it right back in. One screw, lines up perfectly. It's fairly easy to do. I know that if you want to, about moving your data, I'm installing a fresh copy, but if you wanted to, you could get an enclosure for this drive like they do for the other versions. And you can, beforehand, you would plug this into your old laptop, run the Samsung clone software, and you can clone the drive. So essentially I could just put this new drive in and it would pick up, but because I'm installing Windows 10 Professional version, when Lenovo only offered Home, I'm not doing that. So I basically just put in a completely wiped drive, and I'll go ahead and install Windows 10 when I load it up. So basically you're just going to line it up from the bottom, lay it right down, and you'll hear it click right back in. Fairly straightforward, but I figured I'd post it because there's no videos on the Lenovo Yoga 900S on the internet right now, because it is, again, such a new laptop. They just started selling it last week, and I ordered it last week. So that's that, folks. I'm just going to screw these back in, and then I'm going to install my Windows 10 Pro. Thanks for watching.